How to set up auto scroll on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily set up auto scroll on your TikTok app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first you have to go to your Play Store or App Store and you have to download this app. Search for auto scroll TikTok and you have to download this app. If this app isn't available, you can download a similar app. And if this app is available, download it and install it. And after you have installed the app, open the app. So I have here already downloaded and installed. So open the app. And in the app you will here see automatically swipe the screen every 15 seconds. So it is by default set up to 15 seconds. You can increase or decrease the seconds. So for example, I'm just gonna decrease it to 5 seconds, and now every 5 seconds it will automatically scroll. So now you have to tap on let's start, and then it will ask for some permissions. So you have to tap on go to accessibility settings, and then here you will see that app auto next tick tool. Tap on it and then turn on use auto next tool, and then tap on allow here in the bottom right. And once you have allowed, go back to the app and tap on let's start. And after you tap on let's start, you will see a screen like this. So here you have to just open your TikTok app first. And after opening the TikTok app, you have to tap on start. And I have set it to every 5 seconds. So every 5 seconds it will automatically scroll. You can see that it has automatically scrolled by itself. And so this is how you can set up auto scroll on your TikTok app. Thanks for watching.